Hi guys, so I'm sure most of you have been waiting for this. I apologize in advance for the quality of this video because I don't really have the energy to edit, even put pictures up for you. I can't. So it's not going to be edited, so there's going to be a lot of pauses and stuff like that. Well, I'm alive, barely. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think it was, the 19th, maybe around noon. I started feeling really dizzy and nauseous, and like I just want to sleep. So I went to bed, and it just kind of went downhill from there. I had chills, fever. I don't know if you guys have ever had a fever dream. Oh my gosh, they're so weird. So those were fun. I would wake up drenched in sweat. That's still happening, waking up drenched in sweat. I haven't eaten like anything since the 19th, except for I tried having like water, and then I tried having water with salt, sea salt and lemon, and that's just too gross, and I know I'll throw it up. So I only threw up once, but the nausea's bad. I had a few berries, like fresh blueberries. Those were pretty good, but I don't have really much of an appetite, but I'm gonna try, for energy's sake, to have something healthy, just even a few bites, because I want to try to get the energy to go see a doctor. So I'll have to keep you guys updated on what happens at the doctor. So I think this has been the most sick I've ever been in my life, honestly. I don't know how to explain it, just like headache, dizzy, the nausea, the chills, the fever, being thirsty. I know, it's coincidentally, I get sick right after I go see the camel again, and it spits in my face. I don't know if it's related to that. It could be, but usually with camels, it's you're at risk of getting Middle Eastern respiratory syndrome, or MERS. It's a form of COVID which attacks your respiratory system, and mine is okay. I mean, I'm heavy breathing a little bit now because I spend most of my time in bed laying down with my CPAP, and like 24/7. I have sores inside my nose that are really painful. I don't know where they come from. I don't know if it's from the CPAP or what, but I've had to just, try my best to just rest. I've just been sleeping, honestly. I didn't even have the energy to answer people, like family and stuff like that. I answered I did answer them eventually, but like for the first few days, first couple of days, I was like out. So if you messaged me and you didn't get a response, it's nothing personal. I'm just, not well. So I don't even have the energy to talk and explain to everybody. So that's why I'm doing this video. I don't know when I'll be alright. I don't know if I'll have to go into the hospital. I hope not, but I have a feeling that I'll need to probably get on some fluids or something. So, I've just been in bed praying and praying and praying until I fall asleep, and asking for mercy and help to feel better, and promising to take care of my health and ask for forgiveness for damaging my health the way I have, taking it for granted like a joke. I don't care if I have an eating disorder or food addiction or whatever the part of my language the fuck it is. It's something I have to take control of. I hate when people are like, it's not your fault. You don't have control over this. People like in some programs and some beliefs about how to tackle binge eating, that you're powerless over it. What if that's been my problem the whole time? Is thinking I'm powerless. So I'm gonna start trying to eat healthy, small amounts, maybe some soup, something like this, vegetable soup, I don't know. And I have to talk to the doctor about all that stuff, because I just want to make sure I'm eating the right things. And I think I'll go see a different doctor this time for another opinion. But at least I have a bit of appetite back, which is kind of a good sign, but I'm still so lethargic and tired. And I just want to be curled up in bed. 1 minute I'm hot, 1 minute I'm cold. But I gotta go out, I know it. But I need a bit of strength, so I'm gonna try to, like I said, get something super healthy. There's a lot of healthy food services here that make really clean, healthy, diabetic-friendly food. So I'll just maybe have something enough to get some strength, and then Salah will take me to the doctor. I'm sorry I'm talking like this. It must be annoying to listen to, but this is all I can give you right now, honestly. I'm so depleted. I weighed myself 2 days ago, and I was like 152 kg. But I'm not saying that as like a victory. I'm just telling you in relation to, the weight loss and being sick. It's not in a healthy way, so there's nothing to celebrate. Anyway, that's an update for you. I'm sorry that I worried so many people. I can imagine how worried some people were. because, you know, my health is not good. So, and yeah, it coincidentally happened right after the camel incident. So, the last time I got sick right after the camel, it was more of a flu, like respiratory thing. So, we'll see. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll keep you guys updated as, you know, as often as I can.